Hello Theta Network holders, how are you my friends? In this video I'm going to show you the unbelievable changes occurs in the Theta Network my friends. Absolutely my friends, you can't believe these changes is a Theta changes or not. My friends, before starting this video, before showing the changes of the Theta Network, please make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos my friends. At this time my friends, the Theta Network price is 6.34 USD dollar. 6.34 USD dollar is the currently price of the Theta Network. And furthermore my friends, if we talk about the price changes of the Theta Networks, absolutely you can see that after a great fast, you can see that's really unbelievable changes of the Theta Network, because after a great fast the Theta start explosion, start jumping. So that's why I'm telling you that that is unbelievable. And now the 24 hours and now the last hour changes occur in the Theta Network is positive. So I'm feeling very happy about these changes my friends. Hope you also feeling good about the Theta Network my friends. Anyways, if you talk about the price of the Theta Network, so this time the price is 6.34 USD dollar. You can see that my friend that the price of Theta Network is fast down from 11 USD dollar to 6 USD dollar. So that's a big loss of Theta Network, and for which is occurs in the previous time. But now this time the situation of the Theta Network is going good. Absolutely, now at this time the Theta Network will give you profit. And because my friends, you know what, I also predicated these changes of Theta Network my friends. In my in a previous videos I also told you about this my friend, that Theta Network will take a huge pump in the July, and now it is the beginning of the July and the pump of the Theta Network is in front of your eyes. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos my friends.